I just received this impact wrench. It says it's a power plug-in one of the cheaper ones, but you know, to do the job, not like the battery operated ones or the air compressed ones. It says a 12-foot power cord, easy to reach all four wheels. Okay, includes two double-side impact sockets to fit most common lug nuts. Okay, let's open this up here. Comes in the case. I just got this a couple minutes ago. My wife heard the doorbell ringing. I was setting up her YouTube channel. I got two YouTube. She got two YouTube videos on her channel. There goes the lug nuts. They tell you the size on it. This one here is what is it? A 3/4. Yeah, 3/4. That's what it says there. And then you got this big one. I guess this one's for trucks and vans and stuff. This one is a 13/16 socket. Both sides has holes in them. And that's on both of these still. See, I didn't show you this one. And then here's the impact wrench. This is a 12-bolt impact socket wrench. Right there. It plugs into your cigarette lighter. Okay. There's that. Yeah, I think this is a 3/4. It also has on the buttons, or this might be a 1/2 inch. I'm not sure. This has right and left. When you put this on your driver, you push it to the left, it turns the lug nuts to the left, which I guess is the loose and tight. So there's what that looks like together. And we get a little fuse. I get an extra fuse for inside this thing. That takes a fuse in there. But like I said, you get what you pay for. I didn't use this yet. Hey, I got what I can afford. I guess that's all that really matters. Comes with this case. And then you got directions here. Got directions. Right there. There's all the directions. Shows you everything. Yeah, this just came a couple minutes ago. Like I said, my wife heard the doorbell ringing. I was doing something for her. She has two videos on about our cats, Gypsy and Cheyenne, playing. I believe it's, I believe her video is Glowy PA. I believe, look up Glowy PA. It's at Glowy PA slash YouTube, I believe it is. Anyway, subscribe to her channel. She just put two videos up today. They're not real long videos. I sometimes don't have long videos, but I try to get as long as I can. And also subscribe to Shea Bear Monkey 1000. Shea Bear 1000. And hey, enjoy that Hess truck, my friend. And the little Coca-Cola truck. So, like I said, subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to Glowy at GlowyPA/YouTube. I believe that's what it is. Get her some subscribers on her channel. I'm sure she'll start posting some on there. And I told her, hey, you got 2 videos, just put them on YouTube. You'll get some comments and stuff like that. But she'll either answer them as she sees the comments. She checks her stuff every now and then. But yeah, knowing her, she'll get more subscribers than me. But yeah, subscribe to me and Glowy, and then go subscribe to Shea Bear 1000 and Monkey 1000. Tell them I sent you. Thank you for watching.